Hey adventurers, we said farewell to Connecticut and hit the road. Next stop?
New York, baby. But not the big city. We're talking upstate New York, the peaceful, tree-filled, chip supply blessing corner of the state. Okay, can we talk about these chips really quick? We found them at a random gas station, game-changing flavor levels, and we haven't seen them since. New York, if you're listening, send help.
But snacks aside, this stop was all about something much more important to us.
Church history.
Our first stop was the Sacred Grove in Palmyra, New York, one of the most significant places for members of our church, the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints.
This is where Joseph Smith went to pray and had a vision of God the Father and his Son, Jesus Christ. Walking through this grove was peaceful, humbling, and something we'll never forget.
And honestly, it was extra quiet, like the trees were still whispering the story.
Next up, the Smith family farm. We toured the log cabin where Joseph was visited by the angel Moroni in the upstairs bedroom and was told about the ancient gold plates he'd one day translate.
And just a short walk away, the White House, built later by the Smith family, where they eventually moved and lived.
And you can even see the Palmyra temple peeking through the trees. It's like history and heaven are neighbors. Visiting the Palmyra, New York temple was a major bucket list check for us. Such a beautiful, peaceful place, surrounded by all this rich history.
Then we drove over to the hill Cumorah and took a short hike to the monument on top. This is where Joseph Smith was led to the golden plates, the ancient record he translated into what is now known as the Book of Mormon.
The view from the top? Totally worth the climb. And yes, Kylie spotted more bugs, so everyone was winning. Next stop, the Book of Mormon publication site, where the first 5,000 copies were printed in the 1800s.
We learned about Martin Harris, who mortgaged his farm to pay the $3,000 cost of printing. This was a huge sacrifice back then.
They printed each page manually, let them dry, folded them, and then sewed them into books. The girls got to try folding the pages just like they did back then, kind of like future bookbinders in training.
We finished our church history tour at the Whitmer farm, another major site in church history.
This is where Joseph, Emma, and Oliver Cowdery stayed while finishing the translation of the golden plates, all while the Whitmores and their kids were living there too.
Tight quarters with eternal significance. This is also where the three witnesses saw the gold plates and where the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints was officially organized in 1830.
Walking those grounds just fills your heart. These were real people with real faith who helped bring about something miraculous.
While we were soaking in history, Kylie was on her own adventure. Bug Watch 2025.
Her highlight? Not the printing press, not the sacred grove, but the bugs. And maybe the deer we spotted by the roadside.
Priorities.
So here's the recap. We road tripped into upstate New York, discovered life-changing chips, walked through the sacred grove, stood inside Joseph Smith's house, hiked up to the hill Cumorah, visited the Book of Mormon printing press, toured the Whitmore farm, and somehow, Kylie found more bugs.
This trip meant a lot to us, not just as travelers, but as members of the church. These places tell the story of faith, sacrifice, and restoration. And the best part, you got to experience it all together as a family.
If you've enjoyed coming along with us through these sacred New York sites, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you don't miss the next chapter of our family's epic road trip adventure.
And speaking of next chapter, any guesses where we're headed next? Leave your guesses in the comments and we'll see who really knows us best.
Adventurepreneurs out.